Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2015, the Ford F150. Take notice of the exterior condition on your virtual video walk around. Then we're going to show you the interior in just a couple minutes. Take notice of the rims and tires. It's an absolutely impeccable truck. We're going to make our way around the passenger exterior, show you the rear, and then take you on down the driver's side exterior and put you inside the canopy. Show you how clean this truck is. Warranty protection for life. Oil changes for life. That is the sunset difference on quality vehicles. XTR package, of course, as you can see. Going to make our way in the interior. Take notice of the interior condition. Power windows, locks, cruise, tilt, easy one-touch access to all your controls. Power windows. Absolutely clean truck. For more information on this vehicle or any of the other trucks in our inventory, call us, email us, or give us a text. We'll be happy to answer any questions. Most of all, we look forward to earning your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying make it a great day.